Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a realistic power hour for you, and today's video is going to be sponsored by ThredUp. ThredUp is an online thrift store where you can make it totally customizable. For example, I like to put in the certain brands that I like, such as American Eagle, and I put in my size, what I'm looking for, and it's just so easy to order online or through the app versus having to actually go and look at a thrift store. ThredUp offers free shipping on qualified orders, and they also make the return process very easy. This first top I got is from Zella, and its estimated retail is $45, and I got it from ThredUp for $11.99, which is a total steal. This next shirt was estimated around $35, and I got it for $14.99. This is also American Eagle. This Ambience faux fur jacket was around $54, and I got this for $18.99, and it's just so fluffy. This is from Old Navy, estimated retail is $70, and I got it from $28.99. This sweater is from American Eagle, estimated retail was $48, and I got it for just $16.99. And the reason that I've included this in the beginning of my video is because I want you all to know that you can get your first ThredUp order for 30% off with code BEAUTY30. And as you can see here, I'm just hanging up everything I got because it is secondhand. I just like to give it a wash before I wear it. They do also sell new with tag clothing, but I like to just wash all my clothes beforehand anyway. What do? Do you wash your clothes when you get them, or do you just wear them right away? So don't forget to check out ThredUp. I will have the link in the description box, and don't forget to get 30% off with code BEAUTY30. So basically here I'm just going to be hanging everything up and just folding a couple of items. Now that the clothes are put away, I'm just going to go ahead and make my bed. If you're new here, no, you are not mistaken. That is my 3-month-old baby girl's arms in the corner of the screen here. She was taking a nap, and somehow I did not wake her, so this was a double win. Okay, the laundry is put away, the bed is made, and now we're moving downstairs and throwing in another load of laundry. Moving on to the kitchen, I'm just going to pick up any toys that are laying around first. Again, I'm still just cleaning up. Right now I'm unloading packages and putting things away. And now it's time to take out the garbage. Now I'm just putting a couple drops of purification essential oils in my diffuser, and this just pretty much gives the house a really fresh, clean scent.
Just to know what you knew, restless every time we start looking as a lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but
Next, I'm just putting away things that were on the drying rack before I can go ahead and unload the dishwasher, as well as reload and wash dishes.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as a
If you want to see an in-depth kitchen cleaning, I just did that last week on my channel, so make sure to check out that video. Finally, I'm just hand washing some items as well as sterilizing my pump parts.
You don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you? You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain.
Next, I'm just wiping down all of the counters, and I'm using my Method Grapefruit Scent All-Purpose Spray.
You live a high life, limousines through your fantasies. You never knew it, but you were my lifeline. You got me drowning in the sea. You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
The kitchen is nice and clean, so now we're going to move on to the living room. And the first thing I'm going to do in there is just pick up a bunch of toys. Most of the time I let my kids pick up the toys, but I just didn't feel like begging them today, so I did it myself while they were napping. Next, I'm just going to vacuum, and then I'm going to also vacuum my couch. This is something I commonly do, and that is because we have crumbs everywhere from 2 toddler boys as well as 2 little dogs. I hope that you all enjoyed this realistic power hour, and if you like cleaning videos like this, let me know. These can be done more frequently because they're not so invasive. However, if you do want a really in-depth, detailed cleaning video, I have plenty of them. Make sure to check out my Clean With Me playlist. Don't forget to check out ThredUp. I know you'll love them, and also please subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up. We have so many different lifestyle related videos that I know that you'll love.
your soul.